Hi everyone. Hopefully you watched the previous video on how to create this template that I'm going to use, and I've applied it to all my learning goals pages. So now I want to keep this theme, and I will tell you that picking colors I probably wasted the most time on. So eventually I just figured I could find the hex code, and that might sound comprehensive or confusing, but it's not. So I just actually searched. I was going to move on to green hex code color palette, and then I found that Canva was the best option because you can actually copy the hex code that you like and then just paste it right into your design page. So I open up greens, that's probably pretty bright here, but just to give you an idea. And then I sort of picked some that I liked. I just kind of scrolled through and tried to maintain color combinations on my pages. That's how I came up with the blue green. And so then when you open it and you hover over something you like, you can actually then just hit the copy button. So right now I'm working on my Minds On page, and I don't love how it's going so far. So I'm going to keep editing this. And as I said, I'm maintaining this sort of blue green theme. So you just have to click the launch design tools, and then you have to edit this element here. So I'm going to click on customize the style and then current element style. So if you're not sure which one you're on, you actually can just click in the box and it will take you to the correct place to then apply the colors to. So right now that's the green that I had copied and pasted. I'm actually going to now grab the blue. So I've already copied and pasted it from another page. So basically I just kind of highlight all this by using my Command A, then delete that, and now I just inserted my regular blue code. So, oh, that actually went just on the text, which is fine. I can scroll across here and see when I hover over this, it actually always gives you a light blue there just to show you that that's the element you're working with. So I'm just going to click on that, and you can see the green was still there. So I'll just copy and paste right over that. And I like that a little bit better than what I had. Now, because I want to just add some green to it, I'm going to click in this element style and then go back. And as you can see, it's the blue one. So I just want to copy and paste the green color code and it will change it to green. So it is pretty straightforward once you kind of get comfortable with how to open the design tool and working with the current element style. And then once you've imported your colors here into your course, you should see them repeat. So you shouldn't have to do that again. So this was my module 14 Minds On. So what I had done was I just actually copied and pasted all of the code for this particular style, which I'm actually going to do again because I've changed it. And so in the edit, you go down here to the HTML editor. And again, this looks confusing, but I know here that if I start with the div and then go all the way to where the div ends, so I have extra text in here, so just ignore that. I'll actually just grab it all here just to make it easy for you. So I'm gonna copy and paste that. And then what I've done is I've actually opened all my module pages already, like all my module Minds Ons, and I just went in and I'm going to do the same thing. So that was my old Minds On, which I thought it was too boring. So that's why I changed everything. So what I'm going to do is just put this as a placeholder and then just go back and start like copying and pasting. So obviously this is my module 13. Just change that to 13. Get rid of this text. So when you're going between your HTML code and then the actual formatting screen, it's pretty easy. So everything I'm going to use now I'm just going to copy and paste into here. And it's actually white. I just know that because I changed it to white. So change it back to black. And then there you go. And then I'll go through and I'll actually grab all of this. I'll do that for every single one. I'm just going to go and cut and paste. So again, I know where to end. So with the div here, and that will get me everything I need. If I just replace all of this on each of the Minds-Ons, it's pretty fast. So as you can see, I'll have to go in and change them. But I just want that placeholder that I created. So I only have to do it once, and I keep copying and pasting over that code. And I'm not going to show you all of them because that would be really boring. But I have a basic template here that I like now and that actually does match my learning goals, which I created already. So I hope this helps you.